Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is July 19, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by about 9 points this morning. Right now, they're trading at 28.07 per contract. You can see the market topped out right around 10, 11 o'clock in the evening and been selling off ever since. But we have lots of stocks in the news. So earnings season really kicking into full gear now. Let's get started here. We have lots of stocks to cover. First name we're going to take a look at is American Express. Ticker symbol is AXP. That stock is trading at $99.75. It closed at $102.98. Now, last night, the stock sold off after the closing bell, but you can see it was defended around the $99 level. I think there's more support around $96. Also, if American Express really sold off today, you want to watch $91.75. That should be an excellent level if tested. All right, let's move on here. Let's go to IBM. IBM this morning getting a little bit of a bid. Stock closed at $144.52. It is now trading at $148.30. When I look at the stock, though, I have to think you have lots of resistance levels coming into play. So be a little bit careful. If the stock gets to 150, 150, that will be a daily chart, 200 period moving average. There will be very good resistance there around 150, 150 to 152. So we will be watching that in the intraday stock chat room this morning. Let's take a look at CP, which is Canadian Pacific. This is a rail stock right now. The stock is trading this morning at 189.21. So it hasn't really done too much. It did uptick and now it came right back to basically the close. We'll keep that on the radar this morning. Let's take a look at eBay. I'm going to have a gap level ready to go, I believe, for eBay. Right now the stock is trading at $34.60. Closed at $37.95. So this is a pretty good haircut for eBay. You have a very good level around $30 today, so keep that on the radar if it does trade that low. I'm not sure we're going to see it get down that far, but either way, there should be a very, very good support level around the $30 level, and we'll refine that number in the intraday stock chat room this morning. Let's take a look at Alcoa. Ticker symbol is AA. Stock is trading at $46.35. It closed at $47.96. So Alcoa on the move here a little bit. Only level I'm really seeing right now that gets me interested in the stock is going to be probably around $42. Around 42, 42 and a quarter. I get really interested. Last night after the close, it was defended around 45.50, so that's going to be tough to get through. But if it does get below there, keep 42.20, 42 and a quarter on the radar today. Let's take a look at CENX. This will also be down in sympathy to Alcoa. This is trading at $14.45. Next up, we want to take a look at Philip Morris International. Ticker symbol is PM. Stock closed at $82.15, now trading at $77.12. So that's a pretty good haircut there as well. And we'll see if this can go a bit lower. When I did some work on this morning, really the only level that gets me interested in this is much, much lower. So if we get down there, we'll look at it, we'll talk about it. But right now, I'm just not seeing enough to warrant a play on Philip Morris. But if it got down to 67 or so, I really love the stock around that level. I'm not sure if we're going to see that right now. There could even be a little bit of support at 75, but I'm not so in love with that level just yet. Let's take a look at SAP. SAP is down pretty sharply here. The stock closed at $121.96. It's now trading at $118.30. Again, when I look at this name, I'll have a gap level ready to go this morning in the intraday stock chat room. So right off the bat, pretty good sell-off here. SAP will be in play this morning for us. Next up, want to take a look at good old Tesla. I believe this is down on a downgrade. So we'll talk about Tesla a little bit here. Stock closed at $323.85, now trading at $316.50. Pretty good little haircut there. Buy some chance if Tesla really flushed $295, still a lot of support on the charts. Let's take a look at Domino's Pizza. DPZ is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $270.36, closed at $283.68. So this is a little haircut there. Still a fair amount of support at $260. Please understand, Domino's rarely trades 1 million shares a day. So again, it can overshoot. That comes with much, much more risk. You always got to be aware of that. Let's take a look at Unilever. I believe they had earnings. We'll use the UN ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $56.37. That's upticking a little bit. There's a ton, and I do mean a ton of resistance coming into play already. And then if it gets to 58, Pierce, got to remember that should be a very, very good resistance level for this name. Let's take a look here at Travelers. TRV is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 126.75 and closed at 130. So again, a little bit of down ticking here, but we'll be watching this one this morning in the intraday stock chat room. I'm not sure of the level yet. I really need to see where it opens. But again, Travelers will be on my radar. I really have a hard time seeing this going much below 124. Let's take a look at Danaher. DHR is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 104.90, closed at 98.78. So this is a great pop higher for Danaher. A lot of resistance in the 105 level though, so be careful there. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would leave it alone. Let's get one more in here. Cisco Systems, CSCO. This did not have earnings, but it looks like there's some news coming out saying that Amazon is not going to sell switches, and that is positive. You can see the stock spiked up, but it has come right back down. So be a little bit careful with Cisco Systems here at these levels. There's really not a whole lot to do, but this could come into play intraday today on a day trading basis. So again, all levels, by the way, are day trading levels. So just want to give you guys that information. Let's switch gears here quickly. Gold today trading down $13.20 to $1,214 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. This has been in free fall, and it continues to remain in free fall. What's the catalyst? The dollar. The dollar moving higher, getting back above that 95 area, and the dollar is strong, and that's really all that matters. Dollar up, gold down. It's just that simple. Next up, we have the crude oil move. Crude oil trading down by 48 cents to $67.27 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to trade crude oil, you see that's trading at $13.98, closed at $14.10. So there you have it. That's everything for today. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. The gap plays are just starting. We're going to have 2 of them in here today, maybe 3. And again, we're going to have a whole lot more going forward. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful trading day, and we will see you on the charts.